I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Battery has enough charge, and you're using the latest app/OS build. First, raise the in-call volume and verify Bluetooth is disconnected, because calls can route to another device. Once done, toggle Do Not Disturb and airplane mode off and on to reset routing. Then restart the phone. A soft reboot clears temporary audio service conflicts. Make a quick call using both earpiece and speaker to identify whether sound is absent system-wide. Now dig deeper into routing and software. During a live call, switch audio outputs between earpiece, speaker, and Bluetooth to see where sound returns. This isolates hardware versus software causes. Next, clear cache and data for the phone app or the VO IP app and force stop, then reopen it. Corrupted temp files often mute calls. If still silent, reset network settings to restore telephony and Bluetooth stacks, because misconfigured profiles can prevent audio channels from connecting properly. Finish with hardware checks and updates. Boot into safe mode to determine whether a third-party app is hijacking audio. If sound works there, uninstall recent apps. Make sure system updates and carrier settings are installed, and reinstall the phone or VO IP app if updates don't help. Finally, test the earpiece and mic using voice recorder and inspect speaker grills. If audio remains absent after all steps, seek repair or replace the earpiece assembly. One tip: if intermittent sound returns, prioritize hardware diagnostics first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.